Hello, I'm Paul Scheuer here at Dell EMC, and I'm talking today with Justin Bastin, Corporate Systems Engineer for Mainframe here at Dell EMC, as well as being the newly elected president of the Scheuer organization, a volunteer-run user group for enterprise IT computing that was founded in 1955 in Los Angeles by users of the IBM 701, predecessor to the modern mainframe. In the next few minutes, we'll share some of our time with you as we discuss the importance of enterprise computing today, Dell EMC's role in the enterprise IT ecosystem, and most importantly, hear from Justin about how he's using the mainframe experiences to improve the future of enterprise computing. Justin, welcome, and thanks for taking the time to talk to us today about Scheuer, the mainframe, and Dell EMC's role in the enterprise IT ecosystem.
No, my pleasure, Paul. Thank you for having me.
First off, congratulations on winning the election to a 2-year term as Scheur's 46th president. That's quite an honor and undertaking. In a few words, tell us a bit more about the importance of the Scheuer organization to enterprise computing today, and a little bit about your top 3 goals over the next 2 years of your presidency to advocate the role of mainframe in IT.
Good question, Paul. Scheuer has the ability to positively influence enterprise IT. Scheur's tagline is network, educate, and influence, which has helped me define my goals. First, I want to grow Scheur's membership. I want to grow the attendance at our conferences. This goal is one of Scheur's 6 strategic goals. And this growth transitions to my next goal, which is to grow the influence of Scheuer and enables its users, exhibitors, and strategic partners to have healthy and meaningful discussions. Also, Scheuer has a platform today to gather product requirements for our strategic partner. And I would love to expand that forum, communicate product requirements and strategic direction from customers to Scheur's exhibitors to help grow the ecosystem. And last, Paul, I want to grow networking opportunities, not only at our conference, but all year around.
It seems to me your role as Corporate Systems Engineer for Mainframe here at Dell EMC aligns very nicely with your role as head of the Scheuer organization. Can you give us some insight as to how these 2 activities harmonize?
Absolutely. Well, working in a customer environment for over 8.5 years and working with hundreds of customers, I have seen what works and what doesn't. Being a corporate system engineer, my role is to provide solutions to customer problems. I serve not only to help them implement mainframe storage, but ultimately to exceed their expectations when using our technology. I also want to serve Scheuer. I find my customer experience enables me to work with key stakeholders at Scheuer to build sustainable solutions to elevate Scheur's member organizations and delegates, not only to succeed in their IT environments, but grow both personally and professionally.
Many of the people working in IT, even within Dell Technologies, might not be aware of the mainframe's continued importance in our everyday lives. Can you share with us why the mainframe continues to be a critical part of the world's economy, and how Scheuer for 63 years has continued to play a key part in the advancement of mainframe computing?
Well, Paul, I did my first ultramarathon a few months ago, and when reviewing my medical records with my doctor prior to the ultramarathon, those records came from mainframe storage. Last night, I checked into my airline flight. Guess what? Came from a mainframe. Before coming in today, I bought a cup of coffee with my credit card. I used a mainframe today. Most financial, retail, insurance, government, basic transactional systems run on and touch mainframe applications and mainframe storage. Scheuer has advocated for the platform since 1955. The goal back then, which is still true today, is to first positively influence and educate everyone associated with the mainframe. Second, to provide a platform for enterprise IT customers and users. Scheuer explicitly uses the term enterprise IT because mainframe is part of a much larger conversation now. It's also important to note that companies aren't looking to migrate off the platform, but rather to continue to include mainframe as part of their overall enterprise IT solution.
I think it's no surprise that you're one of the younger people within the mainframe business. Speaking as a younger professional in the mainframe world, Can you share with us your thoughts on how people of all ages in IT can work together for the continued success of mainframe computing?
Absolutely. Well, first, check your ego at the door. I mean, I understand that I don't know everything, and that's a good thing. I always seek to give folks the benefit of doubt and seek to understand their point of view. Also, I make it a point to build meaningful relationships. I mean, I firmly believe that the relationships you have with your colleagues, your friends, and most importantly, your family, ultimately decide your success in this industry. Technology is a great thing, but keep in mind, people need to come first.
Of course. Dell EMC is a leading provider of primary storage, data protection storage, and storage connectivity for the mainframe. Considering your dual role as both a supplier to the industry with Dell EMC and as president running Share, what are some of the bigger, more important challenges everyone associated with the mainframe should be focused on?
First, stop asking how long the mainframe will be around, but who will continue to innovate the platform. I encourage everyone on mainframes, whether it's Linux on Z, ZOS, ZVM, TPF, storage, the mainframe software, which includes automation, security, and seek to understand what you could do to enable not only the next generation and those technical skills needed to succeed, but how you could promote the mainframe technology in your companies. Be guardians of the platform and show every day why the mainframe in the enterprise IT ecosystem matters.
Justin, thanks for taking the time to share some of your thoughts and goals on the mainframe business and what lies ahead for your presidency of the Share organization. On behalf of my colleagues here at Dell EMC and the members of Share Worldwide, we wish you the best of luck for continued success in advancing mainframe computing.
Thank you.
Once again, I'm Paul Scheuer, and we've been talking with Justin Bastin, Corporate Systems Engineer, and we invite you to join us at a future Share conference.